From your startup screen, click on Open and browse to your Chapter 5 folder and open Chapter 5 Elevations. Although there are some default elevations in this project, I also want to create some that we can use for our own documentation. From the View tab, click on Elevation. We're now given the elevation symbol, which we can then go and place in our drawing. What would be really nice, however, was that if this elevation marker looked at the walls instead of me having to try and force it to. So I'm just going to escape out of this or click Modify. So what I'm going to do here is click on the linked file and from the Properties palette, click on Edit Type. Here under Constraints, you can see that we have this property called Room Bounding. And I'll place a tick in it. Click on Apply and OK. Click back on Modify. And now I'll go back to the View tab, click on Elevation again. And this time you should see that as I hover over walls, we actually get our elevation marker picking up the walls in the project. What it's actually doing is picking up the rooms that are part of the architectural model. It's not picking up external spaces because we're not in a room. So if I want to do external elevations, I will still have to place the elevation symbol, click on Modify, zoom in to have a look at the elevation, and click on the actual circle itself. You can see that I have a tick box indicating the direction of the elevation. Let's click on the one below, and that's now created another elevation for me.